So we're on site in Sheffield today doing an inspection of a apartment block for a block management company. It's a multi-stage block, different floors at different levels, lots of flat roofs to be inspected, and obviously getting access to this via traditional methods would be tricky, so we're going to be inspecting it by drone. Due to the congested area, we don't have the safety distances for a safe takeoff area or a safe operating distance from uninvolved persons, so we can't use the M350 today, which is what we would normally do for a building of this size. So today we're going to use the Mini. Now, most people use the Mini just for basic images, but today we're going to create one of our 3D models to do a 3D inspection and provide the client with a surveyor's survey report. So let's get into it and show you what we can do. Okay, so we're back at the office. The data's been processed, the 3D model's created, and the surveyor's report has been completed. So now we've been able to use the 3D model as context for the inspection, because this is a bit more than a straightforward square building. So let's take a look at the data. So you can see, even though we used the Mini 3 Pro, when used in the right way, we're able to get really good 3D data. So this isn't super detailed on the model, but it's enough to get really good context to the building. So when the surveyor and the block management company are looking around, they know exactly where we're looking at and where the defects relate to. So on the model you can see here we've got various issues annotated. These are all issues that have been picked up by the surveyor's condition report, and if we turn on the titles we can see exactly what they are at a glance. If we click into one of them then, say here, the beauty about the model versus straight up images is that now we've got the model on the left and we've got the image on the right, and the model will orientate itself to the image, so we always know exactly where on the building we're looking at. So on larger or complex buildings this saves so much time, both on the reporting process and on the management of the defects. So if you imagine now, this link can be sent to contractors to get accurate quotes, because now we've removed the unknowns, they can give a more accurate cost to remediate any issues found. All the issues have been categorised and given a severity, so anything that's red is a severity 5, that needs to be dealt with straight away. The other issues generally can be dealt with as part of the PPM process, so now we're able to put a cost against those issues and enable the block management company to budget and plan their preventative maintenance schedule, keeping on top of the maintenance of this block, which hopefully will keep the residents happy and everything stays on track. So this is just a good example to show that you don't need a super high powerful drone. This was done with a Mini 3 Pro, and when used in the right way it still worked out really well. Finally, we've got the 2D orthomosaic, again derived from the Mini 3 Pro, which really serves as a good overview. It's not really detailed enough for inspection, although it could be captured that way if you wanted, but this is really just for an overview, again to see what's going on at a glance, and then you can click into the individual annotations to see exactly what the issues are, together with the surveyor's comments. And if needed, this can be exported to an offline report, although we always try and encourage our clients to use the actual platform, because you're benefiting from the 3D, the high resolution images. It's all in one place. You can share and collaborate. So if you're a block management company and you want to work smarter, then give us a shout, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.